Alright, so in this video I'm going to show you how you can use Google Keep to be more productive and also get more stuff done. So let's check it out. Alright, so story time. I've been using Apple Notes for about 10 years and I've got about 10,000 notes in my Apple Notes. And so what happened was I was working for a company and they were all using Windows. Instead of me just logging into my iCloud, so I did some research and I came across Google Keep. Google Keep is the ultimate solution because it's free and I can log in using Windows, I can log in using a Mac, and I can see my notes as well, so it's really cool. So what I do is I actually create my own notes and then I upload all the notes inside Google Keep and then I categorize them. The three things that you can do with Google Keep is that you can pin your notes. So pinning your notes puts all your notes on the top priority list. You can also set up categories, so your categories could include the different projects that you're working on, and then finally you can also customize your notes as well, so make it look really pretty and really nice. So those are the top three things that you can do with Google Keep. Another advantage with Google Keep is that you can use it on your Windows and also for your Mac as well. There's also a few books that I highly recommend to be more productive. One of them is The Compound Effect by Darren Hardy. Another one is The Goal Setting Playbook by myself, yours truly. The Slight Edge by Jeff Olson. And there's also Brian Tracy, Eat That Frog as well, so check out those books. So it's a really cool way to organize your notes and also use it throughout any platform that you want as well. So when you set up the Google Keep account, you can also download the app as well, and the app enables you to easily add notes on your iPhone or your Android device as well. So that's really cool. You can also add images and you can also upload different types of links, and you can also format some of the notes as well. To be honest, the formatting features on Google Keep is very limited. You can only have very few formatting options, but that's okay. It's only designed just to hold basic notes. But the most important thing is that you can easily use it. It's free and you can use it throughout Windows and the Mac as well.
Okay, so in this video I'm just going to quickly show you how you can utilize Google Keep for productivity. So let's say I want to go to Google. Just go to Google Keep, and then I think it's the website link is keep.google.com. And if you've got a Gmail account, pretty much you've got an account with Google Keep, so it's all free. So on the left hand side you've got notes, you've got reminders, edit labels. This label is pretty much what you think of it as like a folder, and then archives, and then you've got trash as well. So let's say you want to create a new note, you simply click on take a new note there, enter in the title of the note, so let's say to-do list, and then in there you can also have different information, so you can just write whatever you want. So there's my to-do list, and automatically it will start checking the spelling obviously, and then you can also hyphenate and have your to-do list or whatever it is, so you can put down different notes in there. You might notice that on the right hand side there you've got this refresh. This means that it's synchronizing to the cloud and it's saving your notes there. So if I go to buy groceries, fill up the car, whatever it is, right? And you can also add images, change the color of this note, so I can make it red. That's pretty good. And you can ask people to collaborate, and you can also set up reminders, so this note will trigger at a certain time. Or you can also archive this as well. So if I want to pin this, what happens is pin means that this note is going to be displayed on the first, when you first load it up. And then there's other things you can do, so you can delete the note, add drawings, make a copy, show checkboxes, or copy it to Google Docs. So there's quite a lot of things that you can do to it. And if you want to add another one, once there's, I don't know, set up Studio, and then you can have additional notes in this particular note as well. So you can see that that's how Google Keep uses it. So at the moment I've got it as, my settings is dark theme, but if you've got it as a light theme you can do it like that, but I've just got it as a dark theme because I like being dark. But anyway, that's Google Keep. It's really easy to use and you can just easily move notes around. It's really cool, and it's very functional and very user friendly as well, so I highly recommend Google Keeps.
So I hope you like this video. Be sure to subscribe and like my channel. Check out some of the resources in the description below, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you.